So this is everyone's favorite ask, right? I want to feed in all my data and I want it to observe all the anomalies and tell me if there's something I'm missing out on. That's too broad a brief for it to be able to give you an accurate answer. So, I mean, I'm sure we can get to it eventually. If we build something specifically to detect anomalies, yes, we can do that. But typically, it doesn't work that way. The way that it works is that we built a module called early warning signals. So we know that the only purpose of this module is to tell you something that is going to happen in the future right now. And the way that we do that is that we take the last 6 months, the last 12 months, the last 24 months history, and we keep using these models to project the future. So, you get a future prediction. And then the future prediction tells you this is where it's likely to go. And based on all the modeling that we've done, we are saying this because we've noticed that a leading indicator is turning red right now. Now, you may or may not think that leading indicator is even connected to the output. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't. But we are telling you that the leading indicator is red and that is likely to impact it. It's very similar to if you, I don't know which sports you guys watch, but in some sports, I mean, I watch cricket, but they say that in most of the sports, they say now you have an 82% chance of winning because every time this happens, this has happened before. This is in the past. So every time this striker has scored in a football analogy, every time this striker has scored a goal, this happens so far. Now, all of this obviously depends on how robust the modeling is and how much data is there previously. But then predictive analysis is always going to be probabilistic, and people should know that, and they can't take that on as the same level as objective metrics.